Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be showing how I do a top knot bun on my very 4C 4Z hip. So I've already blow dried one side. I'm gonna do the other half with you guys. So this is her blow dried out. So we're just gonna untwist the other side and kind of finger comb it. Then I'm going to go in with my Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection, and I like to use this with my blow dryer and with my flat iron. So I'm just going to spray it throughout my hair. And we're going to comb it through with a wide tooth comb. I washed my hair in my braids that I had from my wig, and then I let it air dry so I wouldn't have to deal with as much tangling. So I'm going to be using my Conair blow dryer. This is the Conair Infiniti Pro. To blow dry my hair, I like to use a wide tooth comb and a vented brush. Like it has the holes in the back so that the air can flow through it. First, when I blow dry, I like to stretch my hair like so, and then I'll go in with a blow dryer and just hold it so that it can straighten out these without damaging my ends as much. Once I've basically stretched out all that hair, that's when I go in with my vented brush and we like fine tune and we get it like super straight with this. I look like a wildebeest. So after we've done this, we are going to section off our hair in the front. Like so. So I'm going to put the remainder of my hair in a ponytail back here. So I'm gonna go on my flat iron, and I set it on the lowest setting. It's on 340 degrees Fahrenheit, and if that doesn't get it as straight as I would like it, we'll bump it up to 400. And so this part, we're gonna use some more heat protectant. This time I'm gonna spray it in my hand and just run it through these strands. Like so. And we just rub it like this. We're just gonna flat iron this front piece area. I'm using the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium flat iron, and I think this is the 1 inch. Mine is like super old. I got it in high school. And I just like to run a flat iron through it so that it won't have so much of that texture effect once it's in the ponytail. I usually flat iron my whole hair, but this is just a quick style for the girls. And there we have it, folks. First of all, when I turn around, do not talk about my kitchen. Pinky promise? Come on. Okay. Now, because we've straightened our hair, we really can't put any water-based products in our hair because they'll cause our hair to revert back to our curly texture. So I like to use my Murray's Beeswax, and I like to use the black one because I haven't tried the clear, but I feel like that'll leave like a white finish kind of. So I like the black just to be on the safe side. And then you'll see that like once you do that, it makes it really easy to get, and it's like real easy to work with. I grab a good amount and I just work it in my hands, and I just put it on the outside of my hair so that it will go through like sizzle. And this beeswax will just keep all the straight hairs, like the loose hairs, all in place. So we'll brush it, and I want this top knot to be kind of high, so I'm not brushing her too far back. I'm more so bringing her to the front, you know. I would usually use scrunchies, but I don't know where any are right now, so I'm just gonna use some rubber bands. Don't do this at home, kids. The controller I'm using is the Edge Effect by Magic Collection, and this is their Extreme Hold. This is like my favorite edge control. I used to like the Eben, it kind of faded. She kind of faded. My Eben 24 hour, but this baby. So we're gonna just, oh, who ain't got no baby hairs? Apply it onto our baby hairs. Take a wrapping strip. We're gonna wrap them edges, honey. I have this is a whole pack of Kanekalon hair, and I just I'll do it again. I have like a rubber band, and you hold it like this, and you put the rubber band like so. Ignore this rubber band that's already here. So you put it in like so, and then you put one part of the rubber band inside the other, and you have that loop. That's how I got this. You can easily take it off like that. So once you've looped it, put it around your own ponytail. So we bring it over to the side. So then we'll break this into half as well, to the best of our ability. Make sure you twist your natural hair into the braid so it won't stick out. Bring the braid around. You just wrap the new piece around the bottom of the top knot. And then we bring her to make her as straight as possible. And I like to put a bobby pin right here. If she ever tries to slump over, she has some foundation right there to help her stand on up. We're gonna apply our lashes. So now we're gonna try to figure out how to put this bad boy in my bun. Thank you so much for watching my video, jewels. And if you do recreate this hairstyle, be sure to tag me on Instagram at JaiDoesIt so that I can repost you on my story. Bye.